Hey, how you doing, guys? Alright, I got this 2019 QX50 Infiniti. I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life. Alright, welcome back, by the way. Alright, the car is running. Okay, all we're gonna do is play with this, guys. You're gonna see that message. Now scroll to the right or left, whatever you want. Now you gotta go to the oil symbol. Okay, go there. They automatically is gonna show you after a few seconds. It's gonna, the screen that you just saw is gonna go down. It's gonna show you that. Hold to reset. So you gotta hold this to reset it. There you go. That's how you reset the oil life in this 2019 QX50 Infiniti. Alright, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and the feedback, put it in the comment box. Please. Have a good day. Take care. Holla at your boy. Astu. Hey.